So this is the first day, February 7, 2025, my doctor's consultations here in Holy Child Hospital. And first dose of HPV, February 8, 2025. Here I am. My second dose of HPV, April 8, 2025. Gardasil 9. And last and foremost, my last vaccination, August 8, 2025. I'm happy about it. And I feel like so safe and healthy. And this is Ma'am Charo Flores in Holy Child, guys. I want to thank her for the finished dose of my vaccination and to my boyfriend.
Hello sa inyong lahat. So, buwan ng kababaihan ngayon. Gusto kong ibahagi, natapos na ako sa aking bakuna Gardasil 9. Ang OBGYN ko ay si Dr. Flores sa Holy Child. Kaya ang Gardasil 9, ang bakunang Gardasil 9 ay ginagamit para protektahan laban sa ilang uri ng cancer at sakit na dulot ng human papillomavirus. Particular, ito ay tumutulong na maiwasan ang cancer sa cervix, vulva, vaginal at anal na cancer din. May ilang video clip mula sa mga doktor tungkol sa mga bagay na kailangan mong malaman tungkol sa human papillomavirus o HPV. Kaya panoorin nyo ito, guys. Nais mong edukahin ang karamihan sa mga kababaihan, okay? Sigurado hindi lang ito para sa mga kababaihan, kundi pati na rin sa mga kalalakihan na aktibo sa pakikipagtalik. Kailangan nating tanggapin iyon na napaka-aktibo at kadalasan maraming kapareha. Kaya yun po, kailangan nating malaman ito.
This is what cervical cancer looks like inside the body. It starts slowly in the cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina. One of the main causes is a virus called HPV, a common virus that spreads through skin contact, usually during sex. In most people, HPV goes away on its own, but sometimes it stays in the body and starts to change the cells in the cervix. These damaged cells can grow out of control, and that's how cancer begins. In this 3D view, you can see how the virus enters the cervix and how a small change becomes something dangerous. At first, there are no symptoms, no pain, no bleeding, nothing. That's why it's called a silent killer. Later, some women may notice bleeding after sex, pain in the lower belly, or strange discharge. But by then, it might already be serious. The good news is, cervical cancer can be prevented. Regular checkups like pap smears and the HPV vaccine can save lives. Early detection means easy treatment. This cancer grows slowly, but if ignored, it can spread to other parts of the body. So don't wait. Your body gives signs. Listen to them. Share this video. It could save someone's life.
Genital warts? Ang mga kulugo na matatagpuan sa genitals o ari ay maaaring dahil sa sexually transmitted infection dulot ng human papillomavirus. Pwede itong matagpuan sa anal area, groin, penis, scrotum, at oral area. Kung meron ka nito, maaaring makaranas ng flesh-colored bumps and growths. Pwede ring magkaroon ng cauliflower-like appearance warts katulad nito, and this is known as condyloma acuminata. Madalas, maaaring hindi makita o mapansin ang mga kulugo na ito. Ngunit pwedeng makaranas ng pangangati sa ari at singit and bleeding during intercourse. Nakakahawang HPV via sexual intercourse or sexual skin-to-skin contact. At mas madali kang mahahawa nito kung mababa ang iyong resistensya. Ang human papillomavirus ang most common cause ng cervical cancer sa mga kababaihan. Ngunit maaari ding maging dahilan ng cancer sa vulvar area, vaginal area, penile area, anal area, at oropharyngeal area. Ang mga sintomas ng HPV ay maaaring mag-develop matapos pa ang ilang taon from infection. Kaya naman mahirap tukuyin kung kailan ka nahawa nito. Kasalukuyan ay wala pang treatment for HPV. Ngunit maaari itong maiwasan by HPV vaccination. At ayon sa CDC, ang HPV vaccine can be given as early as 9 years old for both males and females. At para sa mga kababaihan, siguraduhin din that you get screened for cervical cancer by having pap smear test regularly. And this is recommended for women aged 21 to 65 years old. And if you are sexually active, make sure to always practice safe sex. Gumamit ng condom. And maging loyal sa inyong mga partner, okay? Kung ikaw naman ay may mga genital warts, ito ang mga treatments na maaring gawin. Tandaan ang HPV ay maaring makuha ng lalaki at babae at maaring ikaw ay may HPV infection na ngunit walang mga sintomas na nararanasan. Kaya naman importanteng kumonsulta sa inyong mga doctors regularly para sa screening at para sa karambatang medical advice. Lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay sexually active. Remember to get educated, get vaccinated, and get screened for HPV. So you will have one less worry. Mag-ingat
Huwag kang makipagtalik kung hindi mo alam ang mga sakit na ito. Number 1, HPV, Human Papilloma Virus, ang virus na pwedeng magbigay sanhi sa cervical cancer. Number 2, Chlamydia. Masakit ba pag nakipagtalik ka? May bleeding after mo makipagtalik? Masakit pag umiihi at may kakaibang discharge sa ari? Pakonsulta ka na. Number 3, Gonorrhea. May yellowish or greenish discharge sa penis? Namamaga o sumasakit ang balls? May kakaibang kulay at namamaga sa opening ng penis? Pakonsulta na yan. Number 4, syphilis. Ganito ba itsura ng dila mo, ng kamay mo, at may parang singaw o pimple sa ari? Pakonsulta na. Number 5, herpes. May ganito ka ba? At parang may ganyan ka din sa ari? Pakonsulta ka na. Mas masarap daw pag walang proteksyon? Mas masarap pag walang tumutulong nana sa ari.
Credit to the rightful owner of the videos and photos.